Hey friends, the combination of potatoes, cauliflower and onions with some earthy spices in one pot is a match you can't resist. This is a recipe that makes a perfect lunch or dinner on any day of the week. What makes this recipe so irresistible is the availability of the ingredients used in your pantry, the grocery store, or in your local farmer's market. I'm using 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that I'm going to cut into bite-sized portions. 4 Yukon Gold potatoes will peel and cut into bite-size. A half of this cauliflower that I will cut into bite-sized florets. Peel and dice this onion into large pieces. Garlic will chop about 1 tablespoon. Some ginger just to complement the flavors. For the spices, I have whole cumin, fennel seeds, pinch red pepper flakes, oregano, and dry thyme, some scallions for garnish, and of course salt and pepper. Cooking oil, I will use grapeseed oil, you can use any. Now with all the knife work done, a good time to go start the cooking. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box. Into this pan, add some cooking oil. I'm using grapeseed oil, you can use any, and then start sauteing the chicken. Add the chicken and brown in batches. Give the chicken a turn once it's brown. Once all the chicken pieces are browned, remove onto a holding plate. Continue browning the rest of the chicken here. Now just a touch more oil into the pan. Add the potatoes, my favorite way of cooking potatoes. Season with some salt. Just notice we didn't add any salt on the chicken just because we used some soy. We will adjust it towards the end. Cover the pot and let the potatoes cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they just barely start softening. Turn up the heat. We are also looking for some color here. Give the potatoes a splash of water to quicken the process. These potatoes have been cooking for about 8 minutes. They are starting to soften. One of the benefits of cooking potatoes this way, you get the benefits of frying without actually having to fry them, which makes them lighter. Now some black pepper, some of the dry thyme, and oregano. Just slightly toast this all together and then immediately remove. Into the same pan, add the cauliflower florets, some water, quickly cover and let steam. Take a peek on this cauliflower. Remove. Mix them with the potatoes. Just a thin layer of oil. Add the cumin seeds and the fennel seeds. Toast this just for about 30 seconds. Add garlic, ginger. In goes the onions. A splash of water just to prevent the spices from burning. Continue cooking the onions, stirring until they are just barely softened. Now once the onions have softened, the rest of the herbs, oregano, dry thyme, a pinch red pepper flakes, optional. Now to complete this dish, return the chicken, the potatoes and the cauliflower goes back in. Give this a stir. We definitely need a touch of salt here. Lots of black pepper. Some parsley and scallions. You can use either one of them. This dish is basically done. Just finish with a touch lemon juice here or vinegar, just to lift up the flavors. As always, this is a perfect dish served family style. Onto a platter and let everybody enjoy. Simplicity and deliciousness in one pot. Finish with some green scallions and parsley for that nice freshness and pop. The potatoes are just almost crispy. The chicken is still juicy. The onions, the cauliflower. For me, friends, these are the kind of recipes that just make cooking fun to me, using just simple basic ingredients to convert them into a sumptuous meal. I hope this is a recipe that you can do. Use it as a canvas and take it to wherever direction you wish. You can still add tomatoes here. There are so many things you can do here. That is up to you. This is the way I wanted it today, and it's just so delicious. Give this a try, and you and your family will definitely enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this one. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe please, to help me grow this channel. I will see you in the next one.